All right. Good day, guys, and welcome. We are asked to factorize completely 12 plus 11x minus x squared. Now, to solve this, we quickly rush down and we write solution. Write solution. Write solution. Then we'll copy out our expression 12 plus 11x minus x squared. Now, we take note of the fact that whenever we are asked to factorize a trinomial expression where the coefficient of s squared is not 1, we look for the factors of a, c that when added gives us b. Now, in our case here, we have the value of a to be equal to minus 1. We have the value of our b. Our b is plus 11. The value of our c is equal to plus 12. Therefore, our value for AC is equal to minus 1 times 12. And this ends up giving us minus 12. Now, we need to look for the factors of minus 12 that when added will give us plus 11. These factors of minus 12 are plus 12 and minus 1. Because plus 12 times minus 1 will give us minus 12, and plus 12 times minus 1 will give us, plus 12 plus minus 1 will give us plus 11. Therefore, we have it that 12 plus 11x minus x squared is equal to rather than 12 plus 12x minus x. We take the place of plus 11x. Now we have minus x squared. Proceed further to factor out 12 from 12 plus 12x. So we have 12 brackets open, 1 plus x bracket close. And we have minus x squared left. We factor out minus x. We end up having brackets open, 1 plus x. This ends up giving us a bracket open, 1 plus x bracket close, bracket open, 12 minus x bracket close. Therefore, answer to this question is bracket open, 1 plus x bracket close, bracket open, 12 minus x bracket close.